4th of July is watermelon time. We've got 2 slugs. There's a hollow point on the second round, but the first round is a Brenneke super slug. It's a 3-piece slug that has an aluminum tip that comes out as it fires, and then when it hits, it goes back into the brass and expands it. Let's see which one whacks a watermelon the best. All right. Well, we're going to have to reset that. Here we go. I don't know, you be the judge. They still hit pretty darn hard. Happy 4th, Viking Wolf. Hit the subscribe button.